Now see uniform and non-uniform motion. See, we have done speed and velocity. We have done speed every time we have taken constant speed and constant velocity, but in daily life it is not obtained. Whenever you are driving your car or you are riding your bicycle, you will find you cannot maintain constant speed. Sometimes maybe the speed 10 km per hour, sometimes maybe 20 km per hour. So, speedometer of the car shows the speed, but it is a different and different moment. That speed is known as instantaneous speed. Now, here when the object changing its speed in the time a regular time interval, we can say the motion is non-uniform. If speed remains constant in all intervals of time, then we say motion is uniform. So, we can conclude here, whenever any object travels equal distances in equal intervals of time, we say object is in uniform motion, and whenever any object travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time, we say motion is non-uniform. We can represent these two motions, uniform and non-uniform motion, with the help of graph. Suppose you have taken this is x axis and this is y axis, and you take here time intervals in this axis, and here in this axis you take distance. If body covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, then the graph obtained will be like this, that is a straight line. This graph is for uniform motion. So, whenever you are getting graph between distance and time is a straight line, motion is uniform. Now, we will take another graph for non-uniform motion. Suppose you have taken graph like this is x axis, this is y axis. Here you have taken time, and this is your 0, and here you have taken distance along this, and graph is not like this. That means not like a straight line. You are getting graph like this. This is graphical representation for non-uniform motion. So, there are two types of motion, uniform and non-uniform. Here body is covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, and graphically graph between distance and time is a straight line. Here graph between distance and time is not a straight line. Here maybe the distance is unequal. So, the not necessarily graph is like this only, graph may be like this, maybe in any way, but not a straight line. So, now we will do what happens in uniform and non-uniform motion. How do we calculate speed? How do we calculate their rate of change of velocity or speed? We have to do in this next topic or the next slide.